how you fell in love was kinda messy sometimes, but somehow it felt so right. Was it a perfect love story? No, not even close. It wasn't like that at all. But I loved you so much, and you loved me too, right? That was enough, that meant everything. Our own little love story. Every beginning comes so suddenly, it's embarrassing to say it out loud, but I think I finally found someone important. Your laughing face, your angry face,